think it's frozen. D-boy fresh with it on, know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important, but I'ma lock out. Don't care what someone come on through my heart, I think it's frozen.
Wasn't planning on filming, but I gotta get to my location in 10 minutes. So I might as well film. Because I'm gonna be rushing. So I might as well film it. Right. Another POV. You guys like him? Here you go, you're welcome. I hope it looks at least a little bit decent. Yeah, hope it looks decent, man. It's hella cool outside. It's in the 70s, so the car should make the power it should be making, like the real power. Should be making the real power. What's the temperature? I mean, it says 93, but that's not hot. 93 is cool. Let's get some boost. Traffic, really? There we go. Temperature's getting even cooler. Make everything warm up a little bit first, though. One thing, when the temperature is cool, that means you're not going to get grip. Always remember that. One thing though, this car loves this weather, man. Absolutely loves it. Like, look, I'm gonna do a 6-year-old and show you guys. It's not gonna get grip. See, it took a while to get grip. Normally in a 60 would grip, but it's so cold outside that the tires can't get up to heat. Ain't gonna lie. Anytime I floor this car in cool weather, it's so freaking fast, man. Look-key scares the shit out of me. Not even scare me, but like, it shocks me every single time. Because I'm not scared of it, I respect the power, but boy, it shocks me every single time. I'm not even sure if that was full power. Look right here. This car is fast, man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sure you guys have seen the couple last videos. The cat will be gone soon. I mean, by soon I mean within maybe the end of the month. Yo, I still gotta catch my... Yo, this shit is fast, bro. But it will be gone soon. I'ma definitely miss it. Low-key, don't really want to sell it, but I have to. Circumstances, you know what I'm saying? It's time to get rid of the cat, time to get something new. And whatever I get, hi officer, whatever I get, we gonna have to do some shit to it. More than likely I'm gonna get a turbo car, like a M5 or RS7. The RS7 used to be like I used to dream of having kids and being a daddy with a RS7. That's why I like did the RS7 test drive and shit, because I really like that car. The M5, obviously the M5 is newer and stuff. That's an officer, and I think in front of us is an officer too. If that's an officer, he definitely heard us from right now down the street. but I'm not sure if it is or isn't. I mean, the car is fast, you know what I'm saying? But I have the regular plate on it, so no. But yeah, the cat is gonna be gone soon. Might as well talk. I don't know if it's a cop, and my destination is right down that street, so we made it in 5 minutes. Holy shit. It normally takes 20 to 15. Yeah, we did some stupid shit. Go bike. What's a cop? Just spinning. I know 60, bro. Alright, I'm gonna do something which maybe I shouldn't even put it in sport, because if it's spinning in regular, it's gonna definitely spin in sport. We're gonna get up to 60. You guys tell me how much that is, okay? The number. Let's get to 60. 60. It spun like crazy, didn't it? Okay, past my destination, but hey, I'll make a U-turn down the street. I thought that was a cop pulling out. I'd do a quick turn right into McDonald's, man. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Wants to slide, might as well make it slide. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Just a little short thing. How much power did it make? That's the question of the day. How much power did it make? In the comment section, what's the highest number you saw on her? Here. Hey officer, it wasn't me. I'm coming from that way. It was not me. What's the highest number you saw here? Let me know in the comments down below. Hellcat is gonna be up for sale soon. Yeah, we're either gonna get an M5 or R7 or I don't know what else, but yeah. And I want to do it quick. I need to get it taken care of. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little short one. We got up to some crazy speeds, hella quick. The car loved boost weather, man. It's 66 degrees outside. Intake temperatures are freaking 80 something degrees. Who wanna race? You guys saw that I'm on a boost it made. I'm gonna watch the camera and see how much boost it made and see how much power it did make. You leave it in the comments as well, engine power, engine torque. Which in valet mode, it makes 178 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. So in valet, I'm faster than some of y'all, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Faster than my BRZ when I used to have that. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Where should I park right there? Subscribe to the channel, guys, and stay tuned for more content, man. See you guys in the next one.